may not be a common household term, but for those of you in this room and online, you know, few technologies are more central to the internet. BGP manages how packets of data get transmitted between networks, and it's central to the internet's global routing system. After all, it's the protocol that allows independently managed networks on the internet to send traffic to one another. Whether or not you've heard of it, we all rely on it every day, every one of us. That's true if you're running a small business, banking online, having a telemedicine appointment, helping the kids with their digital age schoolwork, staying in touch with family, or keeping up to date on the news. BGP is in the background, helping connect our critical infrastructure, supporting emergency services, and keeping the financial sector up and running, and helping with manufacturing. That's a lot.